Hi, I'm Patrick, Head of Sales Engineering at ALTR. Today I want to give you a quick look at the ALTR Dashboard, your centralized view into how data is being accessed and protected across the entirety of your data estate. The ALTR Dashboard brings together KPIs that matter to both data and security stakeholders. Total connected data sources, total rows accessed, active policies, and user activity. Review querying trends day over day and examine your most active users to ensure alignment with your intended governance paradigm. View granular querying info about tag-based policy entitlements such as PII and PCI, and analyze geolocation to ensure any abnormal behavior is flagged. Also analyze the largest queries generated to ensure workloads follow usual data movement or are potentially being misused. This unified view helps you immediately understand usage patterns, spot anomalies like query spikes or unexpected service accounts, and validate that your controls are working without hopping between passive tools. And because ALTR converges monitoring with governance, you can act instantly. If something looks off, a single click brings you into the policy module to adjust access or strengthen protections, moving from visibility to active defense. With ALTR, you move from passive visibility to real operational control. ALTR stands apart by delivering both activity monitoring and advanced data protection from one unified control plane, acting as both the security monitor and the security guard. In today's environment, a passive or fragmented approach simply isn't enough. To see the dashboard in action or explore the full end-to-end ALTR platform, visit us at altr.com or reach out for a personalized walkthrough.